everybody, welcome back to another video on the Kooky YouTube channel and obviously on the Kooky app as well. If you guys are watching, hi, it's nice to see y'all. We are going to be doing an October catch-up today. Oh my goodness, you guys, it is literally not even like, I feel like it's okay, it's the middle of October, but I feel like there has been so many comebacks, so many things happening. I feel like I cannot catch up. I don't know about y'all, but I feel overwhelmed and like destroyed. So we are going to be watching some comebacks that you guys obviously requested. Obviously, please go follow the Kooky Instagram because that's where we get all of like our fan insight and our fan information. And if you ever want to have an insight onto what I do in a video or in a live stream, you can always check it out on Kooky. But we did get some obviously submissions today, so we're going to be reacting to some videos. The first one we're going to be reacting to is Seulgi's 28 Reasons, and this is just because I personally really want to watch it and I've been saving it for this video and I've just seen it everywhere and I want to watch it so bad. I'm sure you guys are also curious my opinion. I have heard a tiny bit of it, but like I am so like the teasers, everything for this, I'm so excited. Like, let's go. I'm so excited. She looks, I'm besties, I'm scared. I don't know how this is gonna start.
I kiss your brother, 그만 멈춰. 또 깊어져도 못 느껴 my pleasure.
Oh.
뒷구정 반칙.
Oh.
떨리는 눈빛. 그런 널 보는 게 참 재밌어 웃겨.
Oh my.
I'm breaking every rule. 자꾸만 괴롭히고 싶은 걸. 28 reasons 몰라 도움이 돼. 나쁜 의도 없어.
Oh.
28 reasons that
I'm literally gonna cry. She is. Oh my! I am actually. Give me an echo and I'm. Oh my. She is. Oh my god. Her voice. I literally. That growl? I'm crying. I am just like, the only way I can say is I'm like gobsmacked. She is insane. I don't even know how to feel right now. Oh my god. She is. I'm sorry guys. I'm just sitting here like sobbing. Wow, her stare.
You're in danger, but it's okay. You're growing up.
Oh.
28 reasons 몰라도 돼. 나쁜 의도 없어 내게.
Oh. Oh my. She legitimately. Literally, you guys, I don't think I've been this shook in a very long time. She left. She literally just left no crumbs. Oh my god. I feel like this song is definitely my kind of song. It's definitely my kind of like, just like, wow. Oh my. that breakdown, I'm literally, you guys, I had heard like the 28 Reasons part, but the whole lead, if you guys haven't heard her album, like please go support her on this. Go give it a stream. You guys know Red Velvet is one of my old groups. They're my old girl group, but like holy crap, that was flawless. I am literally sitting here in awe over it. First of all, she's just gorgeous and she absolutely ate that up. The choreography, the vocals, the design of everything, how like there was two of her and then her with the dancer. Oh my, I don't want to go too long into this, but that was absolutely flawless and I gave it a 10 out of 10 and I want everyone to just go watch this because I literally have tears in my eyes. Okay, so the next most requested video was actually Sugarcoat by AB6IX, which I had no idea was coming out. So we're gonna watch Sugarcoat by AB6IX. Actually, I have heard a tiny bit of it. It was 8 days ago, but they had a tiny bit on TikTok, and I watched a tiny bit of it. I'm sorry, guys. I hear everything on TikTok. Okay, let's go Sugarcoat. Oh! 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 Wow. They look... Oh! Wow. They literally... Oh my... Baby. Oh my god. I'm blushing. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, wow. They literally... I love him. Oh my god. I love it. Devi. Oh my god. They literally... They are leaving. Oh my god, I love it. I love this style though. Oh my... Why does it look like that? Well, I am blushing. Wow. This is a lot of emotions. Ooh. 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 There's no way they put a dance break. They're insane. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my... They ate. I'm sorry, they ate. Wow. Oh my god. Holy crap. That was so good. You guys know I love AB6IX. Obviously, I have loved them since their debut. But that was so saucy. So, like, again, my style. I think they all looked so freaking good. And honestly, I just want to say, I don't know if this is true or not, but I really hope their album has, like, photo cards with them with, like, the little candy on their faces because I would buy that. That was so good. They did so well. I mean, please go support AB6IX, Sugarcoat. Oh my god. Like, what the heck is happening, guys? Why are all the October comebacks, like, just so good? Okay, the next one we have is Mamamoo. You guys asked me to watch Mamamoo's new comeback. It came out yesterday. It is called illella. I don't know how to pronounce it, but we're gonna watch it, so let's go. Okay, let's go. I'm very curious. I haven't seen anything for this at all. Like, I have no expectations at all. I'm excited. This is cool. I like the set. Wow. Ooh! 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 They look, oh my god, they're so beautiful. Ooh. Okay, get it. Okay, get it. Ooh. Oh. I like this vibe. It's very like Mamamoo style. Ooh. 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 Oh. Oh. They. Ooh. I like the styling and everything. Ooh. Hey. Ooh. Ooh. I feel like this is very Mamamoo style. I really like it. Ooh. Like they're eating. Okay. Ooh. But no, they're eating for real. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. I love the leather outfits. I'm a sucker for leather. Ooh. Oh! Oh, I really like that. Oh! Oh, I like that. I like that a lot, actually. It's very, very creative. Ooh, a key change? Ooh! I was not expecting that one. Let's go! Ooh! I was not expecting a key change. I really like the vibe. It's very good. Ah, wow. They're gorgeous, like absolutely gorgeous, obviously, and I love them, but wow. That was so very much their style, but I love how creative it was, like with like obviously like the breakdown that was just like a different, and then the key change that just like stopped me. Wow. Again, everyone please go support Mamamoo on illella because that was so good. Oh, they killed it. Oh, the leather, I'm thinking about the leather outfits, but again, I'm a sucker for leather. They did it so well on it. Wow. Ooh, that was so groovy. Like, I'm still dead. Well, okay, that was really great. Thank you guys for suggesting that one. Okay, and the last video you guys asked me to watch was Onewe's Still Here music video, so we're going to watch it. I don't know very much about Onewe. I have listened to some of their music, and I think they're really, really talented, but I'm very excited to react to it, so let's go. Ooh. 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 Wow. I have like goosebumps, y'all. Wow. Wow. Ooh, wow, wow, wow. No! No! This is beautiful. No! No! so pretty. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. This is literally touching my heart way too much. I feel like I'm gonna cry again. Let's go. Oh. This is like a heart-wrenching song. Wow. Wow, this is so sad. Oh, the lyrics are so sad. Ooh! Ooh! No, I can't do breakdowns. I can't do them. Ooh! Really? Why did we save this for last? I feel sad. It's beautiful. Oh. Their voices are so beautiful. Wow. That is heart-wrenching. Wow. They're so freaking talented though. I forget how much I really love like their voices and obviously like their music as well. A lot of you guys have obviously recommended me so much 1 week content that I'm so happy for, but I just forget, and I just forget to keep up with them. They're so freaking talented. Wow. That kind of touched my heart, and now I feel like I just went through like an emotional breakup. I did not, but like I feel like I did. But yeah, oh my god, thank you guys so much for all of these suggestions for the videos today. I really enjoyed reacting to them, and I hope we can do more of these in the future. Obviously, if you guys like them, definitely hit the thumbs up button, and obviously comment down below if you guys like these kinds of videos. Obviously, we do them live as well, but for today we had to do a recorded video. Obviously, give Kooky lots of love, subscribe to the Kooky YouTube channel, obviously download the Kooky app to see more live streams. Obviously, my live streams are Saturdays at 11 AM KST or Fridays 10 PM Eastern. So yeah, I love you guys so much. I love the Kooky app. These songs were so good. Please give everyone lots of love, and just like everybody who had an October comeback, like everybody killed it. Could not mention Treasure and Stray Kids here because I've already watched them, but like please go stand. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I love all of these groups, and I love K-pop, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone. Mwah.